Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can earn money from Hamster Kombat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your Hamster Kombat account. After that, complete every other stuff. You just need to accept the gift which you get for signing up. And also you just accept to become a CEO. Then you'll be brought to your dashboard like this. So now if you go to your bot and tap on how to earn from this game, it will give you some instructions like this game is briefed. My session can upgrade cards profits by our level of friends to listen out and all of these. And let me just head over to the board and show you a detailed view on how all this works. We are on our dashboard now for this first one. As you can see, you just need to tap on this rabbits also should be earning. So as you can see, this is the first way to earn. The second way, if you tap on this mine OK, you can buy upgrades and boost from this market section. Parenting Lego Special, use it to boost your earning and the rest. So for this daily combo, this actually means that to actually hit 3 cards in the various version of this app, you just need to find these 3 cards. Then once you are founded 3 cards, then you get 5 million coins. Also, there is another way you can also earn is via these friends. Other people watch you for your entrance, and for that you will get 5,000 coins. For every invite, you will get 5,000 coins. On this earn section, you can also log in daily to earn more. The more you log in every day, the more you earn. I've already claimed for today, as you can see. You can also complete this tasks list and the rest to be able to earn more. The last one is airdrop section. Here you can see that it is saying its airdrop is coming soon. So just have to wait for it and keep earning more coins by these methods that I have explained above. So that's basically how you can earn money from Hamster Kombat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.